Hey, welcome back to SK Hobbies AZ. I am Stitch, and today we are talking about some cool things that I'm doing to the Arrma Kraken. Stay tuned. Okay, so I was out filming my we'll say speed run on the Arrma Kraken. I did a 6S run and then I did a 8S run, and I kind of messed up. I was doing some awesome footage, but when you're going really quick, pressing record would help. So, anyways, we're going to go back to the drawing board and we're going to get that remedied and actually do it the right way. But in the process of it, I wasn't doing it in the greatest of areas. I was actually doing it right outside in my front yard. There was no cars on the street other than my car. And I said, I could rip it down the side down here and then come back and try to get up to full speed so I could do a speed run. Because I got one of these little bicycle GPS things that I was putting in the RC to test it out. Matter of fact, I did the Big Rock on 3S. It's got that 4S system out of the Kraken 4S, Outcast 4S electronics in it from Spectrum, and I got that clocked in at 41.8 miles an hour. So that's pretty good. I haven't dropped 4S in it, but I will. I'm going to put a 4S battery in it and get a speed count on that, and actually press record on the button while I'm doing all of this. I also did the Granite, and we're running about 36 miles an hour on that one. But we're running a 20-tooth pinion on the Big Rock. On the Granite, we're only running, I believe it's a 15-tooth pinion, because that's for my 7-year-old son. It doesn't need to go faster. I just wanted to see what it did on 3S. But was doing it on the Kraken, and actually I'll put up down here below somewhere, I'll put up a picture of what I took off of this on the speed run. And right before I decided to rear end the back end of my company car, which I didn't do any damage to the company car, but yeah, so I rear ended it and busted up the front. Now, really the only issue that happened is I popped off the front bumper. So this popped off and went flying, and I busted up this, I believe it's called the lower, or the front lower rear suspension hanger. So this guy right here, you notice this one's like kind of silvery, right? Well, because I ordered from Jenny's RC, I ordered a kit, and because I've did this with the Mojave, I needed some Mojave side guards. So in their kit, they give you on Jenny's RC, you can buy it. It comes with these. It comes with, the chassis brace end, comes with a battery tray, the cover, some little minor parts here and there. And it's supposed to come with the front, the rear, both forward and rear A-arm hanger. Not the upper ones, because that's technically metal, and but the plastic ones, and then they do give you the little bars. Well, my kit was missing that, and the whole reason I bought the kit was for two things. I bought it so I could get these guys to put on the Kraken, and I needed that rear suspension hanger. Well, it didn't come with it, so I didn't know what to do. So I said, well, I've got a 3D printer. Let's figure this out. And I tried kind of designing one myself. And in the process of it, I was like, I wonder if anybody else has designed this. So I found a guy that designed it. He designed this one here. It is on Thinverse, so I'll put that link down in the description, but it mounted up perfect. So he even said in his description that you can print it in PLA. So that's what I did. I printed it in PLA. I already had silver in because I've been printing out some parts for my Gen 8s that I've been doing kind of in the silver PLA. So I was like, screw it. I'll print it in the silver PLA and test it out. So I am going to print a second one in black PLA, which is printing actually right now on my printer. But we'll keep the black one as a spare. I'm not really concerned about the cover or the color of it. So we're gonna get this finished installed on there, and then we're gonna get out this weekend and do another speed run. So I just wanted to give you an update that I found that. It's awesome. Click the link if you guys got a 3D printer and you have a basically any Arrma 6S platform, it uses it. So it would be handy to have a couple of those on standby and spare. So, and you could try printing it in stronger material. I mean, you could probably get away with printing it in the ABS and it would work perfectly fine. So I'm running a softer material. I'm running the PLA, which is that standard plastic material you can print from. So we're going to give it a shot. But anyways, I just wanted to give you a quick update on that. We're going to get this done. I will, when I do the speed run, I'll walk you guys through with the new look of the Kraken, and we'll see you guys then. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and bash that bell. I'm Stitch, SK Hobbies AZ, and I'm out.